Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope you are well. On behalf on Master BD, best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, today I have brought for a new videos, which you will be amazed to see. The video is Windows, how to install Windows 7 and USB Plus mode. I will explain in today's video how to effect beautifully. Before starting the video, I would like to say and those are new to my channel, and please subscribe and beside the bell icon, and other friend circle share and like and comment and briefly. And today video and stay delay, and now I'm starting the video. First of all, Windows bootable Plus mode is the driven input and PC or laptop or tablet. Okay, then starting the video, then restart your PC. Firstly, restart. Then Windows 7 will be need to install Windows 7 from a USB device and USB and tablet or a small laptop and netbook device. Note of January 2022 and Microsoft is no longer supporting Windows 7 are recommended to updating and Windows 7 containing the receiving in security update and technical support, and any key for 11 12 viewers and any key and press the keyboard and ESC or F10 F11 F10 F12. Okay, I'll explain the my PC is F10 and SR laptop. Okay, then you're showing the ADATA USB Plus mode and your pen drive your extra and your supporting. Okay, then ADATA, then enter click, then press the any keyboard and press any key. Okay, then Windows setup yes enable. Okay, enter. Then Windows is loading files. Then you must migrate the Windows 7 setup files on to an Plus mode device, any USB device, and the bootable from the Plus device drive to get the Windows 7 installation process starting. The however simply copy and the file from your Windows 7 DVD or Plus mode device on work. I have to especially prefer to USB device and properly copy Windows 7 install file to before the will be work and expert. Okay, you will be friend and Windows 7 in the showing installation drive and copy, and next then in Windows 7 installation, then install now, then setup your starting. Okay, then Windows 7 in 86 bits means PC on 32 bits byte. Okay, then your processor or RAM and dependable and Windows 32 bit megabyte or 64 bit megabyte. Your 64 bit megabyte laptop is processing is the running extraordinary and continue on the slowly and updating. Okay, then Windows 7 professional, then next button click, then I expect the license term. Okay, then next button, then custom. Okay, then usually and process. Okay, then your device it automatically support and Windows 7 Windows any device in installation your Windows. Okay, then my support and 34 GB. Okay, then next button click, then okay, yes, then automatically and copy installation and okay, then the Windows 7 automatically running. Okay, copy Windows file, expanding Windows file in already 0% in expanding starting the point already totally Windows installation file or copy and 15 or 20 minutes left. Okay, then you explain the Windows 7 in deeply. The following the tutorial applies equally to whatever edition of Windows 7 you have to this or ISO image of Windows 7 Ultimate Professional Growth and Premier etc. Okay, the PC and laptop or tablet etc. Then what you will need and Windows 7. Okay, then automatically and Windows 2% and Windows and Fine & Copy. Then a Windows 7 ISO drives and DVD for USB files. Information will be getting as ISO image or by the new Windows 7 access to the computer with the Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 and updating then Windows Vista. Okay, then or explain installation and working properly. As you will the with an DVD drive, and if you have the Windows 7 DVD and minimum pen drive or DVD and minimum 4GB and maximum your choice pen drive DVD your choice. Okay, then how to install Windows 7 from USB drive. Correctly and preparing the Windows 7 drive for the US uses as the installation source for the Windows 7 and Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 7 take around the and 50 or 30 minutes left. Okay, then depending on your computer speed, your computer and 4GB RAM or 6GB and 8GB and 10GB RAM in dependable for Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10 and dependable for RAM and processor will updating and 10 minutes left and 15 minutes and 20 minutes and 30 minutes update. Okay, then my PC and processor and RAM for 8GB and starting the 38% already done and fastly and Coffee installation. Okay, then you see your next 60% in left and I am waiting for you see. Okay friends, already 46% done, 54% or 30% in left and 5 or 6 and 7 minutes left. Okay, you will see and the waiting for and Windows Coffee and Windows setup. Okay, then 97% done already, then 100% okay, and installation features and installation update and completing installation automatically 1 or 2 or 3 part time and automatically register and automatically open your computer and laptop and tablet. Okay, no tension. Okay, already 18 already 100% your installation and features and Windows File and Windows Copy and installation update already done, and this will information you need to right now your computer will restart several times in during installation. Your computer automatically restart and automatically open your computer. Okay, no tension. Windows needs and restart to continue. Okay, no tension guys, your automatically laptop is automatically open. Okay, no tension, you automatically open your laptop. Okay, your setup is updating registry and setting. Okay, automatically your PC or laptop automatically updating and restart. Okay, then setup is started in service. Okay, no tension, your PC or laptop you automatically update and new version and automatically all working done. Then next process your laptop or Windows and tablet, your software installation, graphics card and any software installation and drive and support your computer or laptop your carry on. Okay, your website and Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox your choice your several software in anytime you software installation and device. Okay, no tension. You're completing and already for part and completing, then completing the installation automatically register several times. You need to one or two your register yours several time in Windows 7 and Windows 8, Windows 7, 10. No tension. Your process will update. Okay, you're continuing the installation and PC or laptop. Okay, no tension. Use several time, automatically register and on, and no problem, no tension, automatically and any computer and running and installing Windows update and installation and copy, no tension, automatically and open. Okay, your computer automatically set up in preparing your computer for first uses. Totally your computer and update and features and automatically added your and set up automatically all set up your Windows 7. Okay, no tension, automatically register and open, no tension. Okay, automatically copy file and installation, your check up your video performance and your audio total and Windows 7 and added your software and Windows 7 and automatically your computer running automatically in Windows Professional automatically and choice and type of and your computer name. Okay, your computer name, your choice. Okay, your computer name automatically your choice and my computer name automatically and G1 and automatically G1 your next. Okay, automatically next. Then your computer type, any computer type and any repeat your computer type password, then any keyword and any required and automatically on supporter any key automatically, then next. Okay, then recommend accelerator and properly and updated, no accelerator and automatically and watch time and automatically added your Bangladesh time. Okay, then here Windows and Professional and Windows is finishing in your setting. Okay, automatically your computer you're done. You set up in copy and installation, automatically your software is installation and loading. This node is junior version and Windows 7 in P8 for DVD and showed for this different. Okay, no tension, your automatically on installation and support your computer. Okay, then welcome to my SR. Okay, preparing your desktop version and computer automatically your running program. Okay, hello viewers, automatically PC and automatically and file copy file Windows file and install automatically your computer in register automatically. This computer is open and automatically all setup your done. Okay, then then your Windows bootable browser and Windows 7 enter click automatically your install. Okay, then is computer is automatically 100% okay your computer. Then your choice in software, any graphics card, any everything use computer in running in setup your own computer. Okay, then my working is how to install Windows 7. Okay, then Windows 7 is your automatically and Windows Professional and automatically is okay. Okay, then password, then Windows 7 is all run in 100%. then your computer is software is graphics and all everything is okay. Then is and power bank and Wi-Fi and speaker and totally your own working totally won't work. Then so friends, so far I have not told you before that subscribe to the channel. I will be among the more new videos inshallah. All is well, stay health. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and goodbye.